Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Gregor from the Bad Batch out of LEGO. So without any further ado, let us begin. Firstly, the legs come from the newest version of the Phase 1 Clone Trooper, which appeared in the minifigure pack. The torso that I used comes from a First Order Snow Trooper. The arms that I used come from Syndrome. The head and the hands come from Tech, and finally the hair comes from Moff Gideon. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you are putting your minifigure together. Overall, I'm quite happy with the way that this minifigure turned out, and I think it looks a lot better than the one that I made before. If you have any ideas for any minifigures that I should make in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you enjoyed this video, maybe you could give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. I've made his appearance in his Clone Commando armor. If you want to check that out too, I'll put that on the end screen as well as the playlist.